Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply edit your loadout in Call of Duty Modern Warfare. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, it should be in Call of Duty. Then just click here on weapons and click here on edit loadouts. When you will be here, you can edit like 10 loadouts. Okay, I know. And just choose a loadout, and you're gonna see like the primary weapon here that you can change to SMGs, to shotgun, to LMGs, like to whatever. Then you get a like secondary weapon that I can choose, but I can choose secondary weapon again as the main because I have my perk overkill. So if I would have it like to ghost so they can't detect me, I can have secondary weapon between handgun, launchers, and melee. So, and then we do have a lethal here and perks and tactical grenades. You can really need to test it by yourself, what you like, what you don't like, what you want to use. But this is pretty much it, and this is how you can add a loadout in Modern Warfare. Thank you everybody, have a great day and goodbye.